Yo, what's poppin' guys, and welcome to a Scratch tutorial. Now, this is, I'm gonna say right off the bat, it's a bit of a joke one, and like, I still will teach you how to do something, don't worry, but, if you've seen my video that I made, like 2 weeks ago called, Scratch's Platformer Problem, if you haven't, definitely go watch that, it's a really good video. I talk about the problem that Scratch has with when you go onto the games page on the Explorer, then you go on Explorer and then type games, you'll just get platformers. That's pretty much it. Occasionally you'll get a game that's not a platformer, but it's mainly just a bunch of platformers. So, today I thought, why not teach you how to make a platformer that's just like all the other platformers you've ever seen in your entire life? I'll show you exactly how to do it. It'll be really quick, really easy, very low effort. You want to see how? Watch this. Here's what you're gonna do. First of all, when you have your new project, go ahead, just name it like platformer, right? Bam. Delete the cat. Go ahead. Don't even make a new sprite yet. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna open up another tab, and you're gonna type in Scratch, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in the search bar up here. You're going to type in platformer engine, right? And you'll get a bunch of them. Right? So let's just find one that looks pretty good. Look, this one, Death on Red, wall jump, bounce, slope detection. Pretty easy one here, right? If you want the one that I have, it's made by Crazy Henry J. Right? Super easy. All you gotta do, right? Take take your ball, right? Look at how your ball is made. This one is with color, so it's all good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your backpack. You're gonna take the ball and you're gonna smack it in your backpack right there, just like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back here and you're going to reload your page so that it actually shows up in your backpack. So we're going to wait for it to load back up. You're going to... Get out of here, cat. You're going to then smack that ball in there. Right? Hey, look at that. You're going to go into your costumes, and obviously you're going to want to change it up a bit so that it's not the exact same sprite. So what I'll do is I'll just be like that. Boom. And then let's make a little guy. What do all the characters look like? Black square. Yeah, black square. Well, no, let's do a circle, actually. Let's do a circle. Black circle. 2 eyes. 2 big white eyes. That's not big enough. Come on. Just like that. And then there's always no mouth. There's never a mouth on him for some reason. So, bam, there you go. Now, you want a level? Watch this. I'll make your level. Your character is ready. So let's make your first level. The way you'd make your first level is you'll take whatever color it has here. Obviously, you can, in your ball, you can change these colors to whatever color your ground's going to be. But let's be honest, we don't want to actually, we don't want to make like super colorful levels. We want to spit out a game real fast. Watch this. Boom, just like that. There we go. That's your first level, and then you obviously want the text telling you how to move. Arrow keys to move. Space. Yeah, just arrow keys to move. Just like that, right? I'll even run you through how to make all the really good kinds of levels. So bam, arrow keys to move. Basic first level. Okay, looks like we start in the floor, so how do we solve that problem? That's really easy. You just kind of take the whole thing and you move it down a bit. That's all there is to that. There we go. Hit that, and then look at that. You already have a level that's playable, and it's working and it works just fine. Reason it's slow, why it looks so slow on my screen, is because I'm doing a display capture. Don't worry, it runs very nicely normally. All right, time for your second level. Don't worry, I'll set up how they work later. Hey, go ahead, hit paint. Grab your black again, fill out the floor, and what you want to do next is you want to show how the bouncing system works. So take your red, or no, actually no, you want to show that red does damage first. So you'll put your red blotch down, and then you'll do like red equals no, just like that. Boom. Next level, it's 100% necessary. Right away, you show them all the mechanics, because they got to know how to play the game, right? So this next one, we'll do something like this, right? It'll be this it'll be this red wall like this, and then you'll take your blue. I don't actually know what exact color the blue is. We're gonna have to actually try to find that. There it is. So 62, 100, 100. All right, cool. Go back to your backdrops. Find 62, 100, 100. Go ahead, place that just like that. Boom. And then you want to make some clever pun like bouncy blue. And like, see what I did there. Alright, there we go. Bouncy blue. Now you can start making the original level designs, the ones that are super, super interesting and never before seen. So first thing you'd want to do is do something like this. We're going to make it really interesting. No one's ever seen a level design like this before. Watch this. Ready? This is going to be the coolest thing you've ever seen. Here we go. Ready? There we go. There's a good level. The next level you have to make is you got to add some wall jumping, because you explained wall jumping. You actually have to implement it, right? So you'll do something like that. Then what you'll do is you'll grab your red, and it'll be like that. Actually, no. It's got to be like this. I'm sorry. So it's got to be like that, and then like that to throw the player off a bit. Super original level designs. You know how it is. You got to throw in one of these. You have to throw in one of these. So make the floor, right? Super easy. Then you make a ceiling, right? Actually, no, you make the ceiling out of red. I'm sorry, I'm forgetting these basic things. You make the ceiling red, just like that. And then you grab your 62 again. Your 62? That's a 61. That's the icky number. We need 62. Then you place it like this. No one's ever gonna see this level coming. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, look at that. They'll never see that one coming. Alright, what's next? What's next? Ooh, I know what you gotta do. You gotta pull one of these. They'll never see this one coming. Never. Watch this. This is gonna be the coolest thing you've ever seen. Watch this. Watch this. Just like that. And then you put the black text, and it's gonna be like, how do you get across? Right? And then you gotta like put it like right here. Bam. You see the gimmick there is you walk on the words. No one's ever gonna see that coming. Never. Alright, we'll make a few more levels because we don't want to have too many. We want to get this game out fast. So there's the floor. Let's do something crazy like have you jump through like that. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay. Then we definitely want to have something like you jump onto there. Then you have to do like a wall jump here. And then you got to be real careful coming down the side. There we go. And obviously pool of lava there. And heck, you gotta be careful on this side too. Looks like we can afford one more level. 10 levels is even kind of pushing it with how many we should have. Normally there's about like 6. So the last level's got to be a real doozy. So what we'll do is we'll do something like this, right? Do like that. And we'll go ahead. We'll put a pool of lava right there, just like that. And then we'll put lava here, and lava all the way down this side. And even better, lava as the ceiling too. There we go. There's the final level. Pretty cool, ain't it? Alright, now you're probably wondering, well, how do we set up the the next level system? What you gotta do is you gotta read through this a little bit. So there's a few ways to do it. Some of them do it when touching the wall, but let's be honest, we don't want to do that. So what we can do is we'll just quickly what you want to do is you'll hit like choose a sprite, and you'll hit this arrow one, and then this arrow one you'll just put it right where you're gonna want it every single time, just like that. You'll keep it arrow one, and you can call it next level if you're feeling a little hip, a little spry. Then in this one, you can do when the green flag is clicked, obviously go there, and we'll choose to set the backdrop to the backdrop that it starts at too. So cool, awesome, just like that. And then it'll be it'll go forever if touching, or not key space, if touching ball. We should probably rename the ball player so people don't know we took the engine. There we go. If touching player, then you want to go ahead and grab your broadcast, because this is just the quickest and most easiest way to do it. Just hit like 2. You can put level 2. I'm just going to put 2 to show that it's moving to the second level. Then when you receive 2, duplicate all that. Just make this to backdrop 2. Just keep that the same. And then broadcast message 3. And then just like this, go 3, backdrop 3, player, on message 1, broadcast 4. And then same with 4. Just go like 4. Go backdrop 4, broadcast 5. 5, backdrop 5, broadcast 6, and then to 6, backdrop 6, and then to broadcast 7, and then go ahead. We're almost done. We're almost there. 7, 7, 8, and then a few left, guys. A few left. We're putting in all the work. Putting in all the work. 9, and then you do 9, 9, 10, and then one more. This is the last one. 10, broadcast. Thank you. Now I just realized we forgot to make the most important level. And that level is the thank you level. So you go ahead and create a... Oop, nope, not that. My goodness. You go ahead and create a new sprite. You know, smack that, make it black. Do the floor like this. Ceiling. Wall. Just like that. And then you write out, thank you for playing. Just like this. There we go. You want to do like a big heart, just like this. Oh, I just downloaded that by accident. We don't gotta talk about that though. Heart, favorite, just like that. Heart, favorite. Then you'll take your draw thing and you'll draw little arrows. Just like this. Then you'll go ahead, you'll grab your pen and you'll like draw this. You'll draw a heart. Right, and then you'll draw a star. Just like that. And you'll grab your paint bucket tool, grab a red, smack that in red, grab a star, make it yellow. Bam, make it yellow. And you gotta make sure you say this. This is where you get them. New level tomorrow. Make sure you spell tomorrow wrong too, by the way. And then here's the key. You want to make sure you never make a new level. You want to make sure that never happens. You never make a new level ever again. And then, of course, go back to your next level sprite. And when you receive thank you, you're just gonna get rid of those ones and put hide. Now we gotta test something. We gotta come into our character and hit when I receive 2. So it looks like spawn is that. So we'll go to, and look how it already has the XY spawn, right? You'll make X spawn and then Y spawn just like that. So just like that. So then we'll do that same thing to 3, to 4, to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. All right. That's our game. But wait, we have to have a captivating thumbnail. Let me show you how to make one of those. So, you're going to want to make a big square like this, and you're going to want to turn it sideways like that. And you're going to want to place it just like that. Then you're going to make a redraw of your character, right? Take your character, get your little ball guy, set him up just like that. Put him in the air a bit. That's very key. That's very important. It's very important that you make your character above the ground a little bit, and you'll see why in a second. Make sure it looks like the character is looking off into the distance, even though our character never ever looks like that, never looks off side to side. And then here's why you did that. You'll put these 3 lines to show that he's jumping. Let's make a background color. The most common background color I see is you do this like this nice snow, oh not snow, this nice like ice glacier kind of blue, just like that. And now we gotta come up with a name for the platformer. We'll call it like no, we gotta call it something like something really captivating, like Inked. Just like that. Make it real big. Put it right there. And then you make sure you do this. Do 2 dashes and spell it just like this. The exact capitals how I'm doing it. A platformer. You want to put that one sideways. Make it big. Set it there. Just like that. Now, what's the code for this, you might ask? It must be really hard to make a thumbnail. No, it's really easy. When the green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Set ghost effect to 100. And show. Okay? So you never see it, but when you stop, then it shows up. Go ahead, hit save. Call it what it is. No, we gotta call it. So you do inked, and then in parentheses, platformer. This one's kind of preference. You can do in parentheses for the title, or you can do what we did in the thumbnail and do that. I'm gonna put it in parentheses so that it looks super diverse and looks a lot different. Then you just want to smack that share button. You want to go into instructions, type in a big story, right? And then the story is, you are a circle in an inky world. Make your way through amazingly designed levels on your amazingly fun journey through this inky wasteland. Then you want to put controls and just put arrow keys. Just like that. Then in your notes and credits, you're going to want to put, we're going to do a bit of a lie right here. We're going to do code me. We're going to do art me. We're going to do level design me, because you want to make sure you have a lot of stuff for like what you did, so it looks really cool. Then what else did we do? Inspiration. In your inspiration, which you're gonna, I just realized I spelled inspiration wrong. Don't talk to me about that. In your inspiration, you want to put whatever you want, like just name like a really popular person. I'm gonna put explore page. You can do idea me, and just like that. And then once you'll get on the featured page, and once you get on the featured page, what you're gonna want to do, I'm not gonna do this right now because it hasn't happened to me yet, but you're gonna want to put a bunch of equal signs like that, and then say OMG 3,000 likes, and then keep updating that, like 3,000 likes, 3,000 favorites, all that kind of stuff. You're gonna want to keep updating that. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. You'll for sure get on the explore page in no time. Here, I'll even do this so you can see that it works. That's how you do the thumbnail. But so yeah, that's how it works. That's how you get on the featured page instantly with your amazing new platformer that's never before been seen. So yeah, worship me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because I just showed you how to be Jesus, basically. So yeah, while you're at it, why not subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content? That help me out a lot. Also, do tell me what you want me to do on Scratch. I get a bunch of comments saying, please do more Scratch, right? Because a lot of you are coming from my my saving system that I made. So you need to tell me what you want me to make so I can actually make more stuff. If you want it to be like a series, like maybe like how to make a zombies game or something like that, or if you just want it to be like a one-off, like the saving system, like how I did that, it's just a one-off video. Yeah, I'll definitely look into that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.